So the question is, the domain of the function f from R to R, that means it goes from real number to real number, is defined by f of x equals to under root of x squared minus 3x plus 2. Now we have to figure out the domain. So domain basically means all the possible values of x that you can plug in and you get real solution. That is domain. So for this to get a real solution, the number inside the root, it has to be greater than or equals to 0. If this number is greater than or equals to 0, automatically we'll get real number. So that means that will be our domain. Now, what are the value of x for which this is greater than 0? We'll factorize it. Using middle term splitting, it will be negative 2x. Negative x plus 2 is greater than 0. So we get x minus 2 and x minus 1 is greater than 0. Okay, now, so our critical points are 1 and 2 and infinity. So now we have three intervals. Let's take the first interval. Choose a value between negative infinity to 1. Let's take 0. So when you plug in 0 in this equation, so you'll get 0 minus 2 and 0 minus 1. So overall you'll get 2, which is greater than 0. So in this interval, we'll get a positive number always. Now choose a value between 1 to 1.2. Let's take 1.5. So 1.5 minus 2 times 1.5 minus 1. Now here this is negative number, this is positive number. So overall negative times positive will give you negative number. Right, so this will be negative 0.5 times 0.5. So overall we'll get a negative number, like less than 0. So here we'll get a negative number. Now let's choose a number between 2 to infinity. Let's take 3. So 3 minus 2, that is 1. And 3 minus 1, that is also positive number. So overall we're getting positive number. So we are getting a positive interval from negative infinity to 1 and 2 to infinity. So that will be our domain. So my domain is negative infinity to 1. Now see here, there will be a close bracket because equal to sign is also involved. Then union 2, because 2 makes it 0, 2 to infinity. This is our domain. If you plug in any value between this domain, you will always get a positive number here, and as a result, we'll get a real number, real value for f of x.